Electronica today to show our ZigBee lighting demo. So these lights are based on our firmware that we're going to be releasing, publicly releasing soon, called Z-Stack Lighting 1.0. And this is based on a public profile called ZigBee Light Link, which is going to be becoming more popular within consumer lighting control. I'm going to hand over to Roger now to explain the rest of this demo.
Now, in order to demonstrate this technology, we've taken 216 of these ZigBee lights and built them into our hexagon wall, as you can see behind us. We've also taken one of our Sitara ARM processors and are running an application in a web server to allow us to control all these lights. You can see here on my tablet, I can control each of the lights in the wall to change their color and to load patterns. Maybe something a little more like this one. So as you can see, 216 ZigBee nodes running in this wall, controlled via a gateway and a ZigBee lighting control. Now I'd like my colleague Espen Wium to talk a little bit about how this reference design can be used for you to build your own lighting solutions.
I'm Espen Wium, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about the lights we've been using for the ZLL demo. This is a reference design we've called the Z-Light 2. It's basically a reference design for a light bulb that contains everything except the high voltage power supply. It's a 40mm disc, and on this one side we've got all the LEDs, RGB plus white. On the other side we've got all the radio circuitry and the LED drivers. It's got the CC2531 SoC that runs the whole ZigBee stack and controls the LEDs with PWM modulation. It's also got a PCB antenna and matching circuitry, and it's got 4 channels for the LEDs, so it can run the entire ZLL color engine. There's one of these lamps in each of the 216 triangles in the hex wall. And if you want to know more about this system, you can go to ti.com/ZigBee.